Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Check out these blocks here. This way they spell me, but this way they spell we. Me, we. Me and we look very similar, yet their meanings are very different. And if you want to make and keep friends and get along with people, it's important to understand the difference. So today we're cooking up a lesson on just me or we. Shifting your thinking. There are times and places throughout the day when you don't have to think about or pay attention to anybody else. It's all about you. This is usually when you are all alone. I'm home. Anybody here? Hello? I think I have the whole place to myself. When you're by yourself, you can usually read what you want, watch what you want, or play what you want. You don't have to think about what anybody else wants to do, because it's just you. This is usually an okay time for me thinking. But when you're sharing space with others, you're not alone. You can't just think about yourself and what you want to do. You have to shift your me thinking to we thinking. That means you have to think about the thoughts and feelings of the people around you. Whenever you share space with other people, there are certain ways you are expected to behave. When you act in these expected ways, the people around you feel comfortable and they have okay thoughts about you. And when people have friendly or okay thoughts about you, they're probably going to want to spend more time with you. Watch how my friends shift from me thinking to we thinking when they are sharing space with others.
Okay, guys, I want you to be working on that first math problem now.
Even though I'd rather read my favorite book right now, I will work on math because that's what we are expected to do.
It's time to clean up.
I really want to keep building, but I will help clean up because that's the group plan. It's what we are expected to do now.
Make sure you listen to your friends and make sure everyone has a turn.
I have some really great ideas for the STEM challenge. But since I am working with others, I will think about their ideas too. It's not all about me, it's about we or us.
Let's play tag with everyone.
I really want Mia to play tetherball with me, but she wants to play tag with the other kids. If I really want to play with Mia today, I'll have to join the group game. It's time for some we thinking.
This week, when you're sharing space with others, whether you are at home or at school or even online, practice shifting your me thinking to we thinking and see what this can do for you. And I'll see you next time.